In this demonstration, we're going to talk about lights in Blender. Make sure you're in the rendered view in order to see the lights. Go to your Add menu, go to Light, and add a light. Go to the Object Data Properties. It looks like a light bulb when you have that selected. We can change the color and the power of the light. You can adjust the radius of the light to give it a softer fall off. And you can turn on and off shadows for each light. The point light emits light in all directions. You can change that light afterwards. Let's try changing it to a sun. The sun is based on rotation. A spotlight is like a normal spotlight, comes from a single point and expands outward like a cone. You can change the radius of this light just like you can with the other lights. You can adjust the spot position. You can blend the light so it's softer or harder, and you can adjust the spot size. The area light is a rectangular or square light that emits soft, even light, often used for studio setups or creating natural, diffused lighting. Lighting makes a big difference on how your scene looks. Try experimenting with different colors and lights to see what works best for your scene.